work I get, I'ma kill it. And I don't know when my time is up, so I keep it as real as I can. This been who I am since I was just a shorty running round, making noise all through my neighborhood. I knew I was never to be average. Yeah. Don't blink, you might miss out. Ain't nobody taking what I work my ass off for. Oh, I'm in here, baby, now. And they can say, no, they can say I never paid. I gave up everything. The price for this is everything. I've had to give up so much of me. First thing I had to learn was not to be lazy with my shit. Give it 100 every chance that you get to kill it. Never worry about if people out here gonna feel it. You gon' get respect one day, cause baby you deserve it. Proving that you're worth it. Different than these others, you be on that never heard shit. That smooth spoken word shit. Grew up a little strange, so I've never taken no shit. So authentic, yeah, I could make them club hits, but I'd much rather just take the time to speak what's on my mind. Keep it real with y'all, even if I cross the line. Wayne told me cross it with pride. I knew I was never to be average. Dream killers gon' rise. So am I. Ain't nobody taking what I gave my life up for. Oh, I'm in here, baby, now. And I'm gonna be here forever. And they can't say, no, they can't say I never paid. I gave up everything. The price for this is everything. I gave up everything. I've had to give up so much. I gave up everything, yeah, yeah. Cause life is a price, life is a price if you're doing this right. Sometimes you gotta fall just to stand tall. You gotta give it all. Let them talk about you, let them say you never had it in you. Go ahead, let them doubt you. Turn around and pack up every venue. Chill in your success and rest easy knowing